Good night. In this video, we will start with my personal presentation. After that, I will talk about my travel experience, then about of the weather, the city, and finally my recommendation in the place visited. Let's start with my personal presentation. My name is Carol Martinez. I am 29 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in San Cristobal Sur with my 9 years old son and my husband. I started business administration in UNAD and I work in Fiduciaria Corfi Colombiana as a human resources analyst. I have been with the company for 3 years. I like to walk and play basketball and share with my family. I am loving, helpful, and I like to help people who need it. My travel experience and my experience in Manizalez. I like to travel and I know Manizalez. It's a very welcoming city. My experience in that place was incredible. And I went to Elevado del Ruiz and the restaurants of the regions. People are very friendly and they are always willing to help you. The coffee is delicious, also the arepas, and the fairs are very fun. I recommend to visit of Siri Manizalez. The weather in Manizalez is cold. Although the sun rises in the morning, it feels very breezy, and I recommend to use comfortable clothes such as sweaters, clothes shoes, and pants. My recommendation in Siri Manizalez. People should to visit the Nevado del Ruiz and to visit Catedral Basílica Nuestra Señora del Rosario. People should go to beach with pork rings in the restaurants, and I recommend that people drink a cup of coffee. What do you should note in Manizalez? People should not drink a lot of aguardiente or visit the volcán en Nevado del Ruiz without a jacket, and they should not ride horses in the streets. Thank you very much.